everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today for you guys, I just want to show you guys what I use as skincare products for my oily skin, because I have extremely oily skin when it comes to my face. I use different products here and there, but I just want to show you drugstore products that are really not expensive, and it's actually effective. So it actually really works really well. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do today. And before we get into the products that I have for you guys, I just want to say thank you to everyone who like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. I really like talking to you guys in the comment section, and also I like seeing you back watching my videos. Yeah, I'm just grateful. So let's get to the tutorial. So for today I have 4 products that I want to show you guys. All of them are from the same brand. It's all by Freeman. So you can actually get them at Walmart. Like, I know here we can get it at Walmart, and that's the only place we can get them. This is the only place I ever saw them, so this is the only place I ever purchased them. So yeah, so the first product I want to show you is this one. So this one is not really a mask, but it's like a 2-in-1. So this one is a cleansing apple cider vinegar. It's a clay mask and a scrub. Actually, I would say a 3-in-1. I forgot it was a scrub too. So basically this one tones, purifies, and modifies your skin. So this one is one that you can actually use every day if you want to. So what I do, I take off my makeup. If I have to take off my makeup, I do one, like a cleanser, like a really gentle cleanser, and then after I do this one. So what I do, sometimes I just do it like really quick, and I rinse it out like right away, or sometimes I put it on, wait until like it's dried up. It won't dry down all the way, but I wait until it's dry down, and then I just massage it because there's scrubs in it. So it kind of scrubs your face like this, and then after that I just rinse it out. So this one is a really quick one if you want like something, like I said, you're doing your makeup and you just need something really quick. This is what I use. Or sometimes I just don't want to do the whole mask things at night, so I just do this one at night after, and it's really quick. Like if I'm in the shower, I just leave it on to my body, and then I come by, scrub it out, and rinse it out, and that's it. It's really quick, but I really like this one because it kind of tonifies my skin. And sometimes I have some, like, I guess probably see my face like without makeup, I have a lot of dark spots, and I really truly believe that this helps. It's not the best thing, but it did help my skin get more even. So the second one I want to show you is this one here. This one is the Avocado Oatmeal and Clay Mask. So this one is meant for, it deep cleans and purifies your pores. Sometimes when I do my makeup, like this one I don't do all the time. I do it maybe once a week about during the winter, like fall winter times, like let's say from September to like February, March. I do this one because my skin is still oily, but it's not as oily during the summer months. So that's why I use this one instead. This one kind of like deep cleans your pores. It's not necessarily mattifying, but it does dries up your skin a little bit because it is clay. So that's what clay does for you. It kind of like absorbs all the excess, but it won't necessarily like take all the sebum, but it will deep clean your face. So this one I do it like maybe once a week, like I said, like after a week of putting a lot of makeup. Sometimes even like if I film 2 videos in a row, like today, or 2 days in a row, I do this mask just to make sure all the makeup kind of goes out of my face, and like just so like I kind of have a deep cleanser of some sort. And this one is good for normal and combination skin. Yeah, so this one I don't do it all the time, maybe once a week, like I said, and I really like it because after that my face is just matte. And I know it's not mattifying, but my face is matte after, so that's why I really recommend it. But it's not really a treatment for like oily skin. It's really good too if you have combination skin. The next one is this one here. This one I wasn't gonna show you guys because it's winter right now, but this one I only use during the summer months. Like I said, this is like my alternative to this one when it's more hot outside, because my skin that gets really oily. You guys have no idea. I do my makeup, and an hour after, my skin is just like, I already have to like get the blood sheets and like get it out. So yeah, so this one is the oil absorbing mint and lemon clay mask. So again, this one too is a clay mask because that's what you want to get when you have oily skin. clay mask because it really like kind of absorbs everything. So yeah, I really like the smell of this one. Like it smells really good. It's like lemon and mint, so you know, it's really fresh also. So this one instantly refreshes, controls breakout for clear skin, and this one is really meant for oily and breakout skin. This one, when I use it during the summer, like honestly the day after, my skin is just so clear and also it's so matte, and then if I do my makeup, it's not as bad as the days before. I won't say it takes out all of my oils because like I said, I'm really oily compared to other people. If you're like normal oily, I would say this one is a really great product. For me, it helps, so that's why I want to mention it, because it actually helps really like a lot. And imagine if my face is really oily, if your face is just normal oily, what it can do for you. Just imagine. So this one too, I only use kind of the same way I used the one before, the one that's avocado and oatmeal. I just use it once a week, once in a while. Sometimes I use it twice a week because because here too it's like really humid where I live, so sometimes twice a week also, and it's really just to like cleanse my face and really make sure everything goes out. And this one, like the other one, you want to use it like as a regular mask. So what you do your facial, like you cleanse your face with the soap and everything, and then after you do a mask, you rinse it out, and then if you want to do a toner after, you do a toner, and then you moisturize your face. And yeah, this is how I use this one. And for the final one, then it's not the best one, but this one really helps. This one is not necessarily for oily skin. This one is for any skin type. They say it's for normal to combination skin, but honestly I think it's for anyone, because this one is not necessarily to modify my skin. This one helps me with my uneven skin tone and my dark marks on my face. This one is the cucumber peel off mask. Yeah, so it clarifies and renews your skin, and it's for normal to combination skin. What I like about this one, after I do, like the thing is when I get oily, I get a bit more breakout. So what happens is that my face gets a bit, like I get dark marks basically. So what I do, I use this one, and it kind of tonifies my skin in a way that it kind of evens out my skin. And after that, I feel like my skin is just like radiant. It's like really glowy for like at least 2-3 days after I use this mask. So that's why I really love it. It's a peel off mask. Honestly, this one I always use in combination with these masks here, like these two ones, just because after I do a mask, and since your skin is like exposed, I use this one after. It just unifies my skin. It's almost like doing a toner after, but as in a mask form, if that makes any sense. Yeah, and then after I do both together, my skin just looks like glowy, radiant. I just glow from within, you know? It's like I don't even have to put makeup after it. Like the day after, my skin just looks like so good. And yeah, so, and imagine like here it's about $5 here. I think it's $4.99. It used to be cheaper, but now I guess everybody uses them, so it's more expensive. But if you live in the States, it's even cheaper, so get your hands on those. They have a lot of different ones, but this is what I use for oily skin because that's my skin. Yeah, so I just wanted to share what I've been using for my skin, because a lot of people have been telling me in the comments that my skin is really glowing, and I don't think it's only because of my highlight. I know my highlight is like popping right now, but even me, like I see my skin is like really like better. Obviously I don't use only that, I have a lot more products that I use, but I thought I would start with some things that are more or less expensive, so something from the drugstore. And yeah, because I think you can get really good results with what I just showed you today. And also I want to say consistency is key. Don't start something and then stop. You see, like this one, I'm almost out. I have to go and get another one. I went the other day and they didn't have any, so I have to go and get another one, because once you stop, you feel like your skin is just not as glowy as before. It's like you have to continue. But that's the thing with products, you have to be consistent. Like do a mask every week, cleanse your face, toner every week, like everything, like all the time. And yeah, so I just want to say, if you guys have tried any of them, let me know what you guys tried before, because I want to try new ones, but I don't know which one to try. I know like they have a lot, so I want to try some of them. If you guys have oily skin like me, or you have like you have an uneven skin tone, or you have like, I don't know, like break out a lot, because sometimes I do break out like a lot. Like this here, I had a big breakout last week. Yeah, just let me know what you have tried from the drugstore. It doesn't have to be from the same brand, but just let me know what you have tried before, and maybe I'll try them myself and I want to see how it works for me. Okay, and yeah, if you guys like this makeup tutorial, it will be linked down below because I think it will be my video right before. If I'm mistaken, it will link, but it will it will be linked down below anyways. So yeah, if you guys like it, just go and watch it. Meet me in the comments over there also. We'll talk it out. Okay, so I just want to say thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in a couple of days. I think maybe next week, I don't know, I'm not sure, we'll see. And yeah, so I'll see you next time, guys. And yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone who comments, subscribe to my channel, because I really appreciate it. I like talking to you guys in the comments, so let me know which products you have tried before so we can talk it out. And yeah, I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.